Good morning, plant friends. So it's kind of dreary out in good old Chicago, and I'm just kind of want to show you a few updates on some plants. So let's go take a look at my Ceropegia Woodii. Okay, so this is my Ceropegia Woodii. It's in the same pot as last time, and it has grown quite a bit. This is in my bedroom underneath a grow light. It's probably grown about 2 feet, and it's really filled out the pot. It's just a 4-inch pot, and I will probably be coiling some of these back around on themselves to fill in the top a little bit more. But you can see all of the bright green new growth down here, a little bit over here, some more over here. And the older growth, these guys, the silvery and darker green ones, these are the ones with the purple backsides. They're really cool. I like these a lot. The stems get a little bit pink, purple, and then as they age, and then the new growth, it's all like bright green. So it's just kind of laying on top of my Monstera right now. But something I really wanted to show you is the propagation. So you guys remember the little tiny props that I showed you? Well, I moved them into this container and I put the lid on, and they just exploded. They're big enough now that I don't need to have the lid on. Oops, a little dirt. That I don't need to have the lid on, but this is just a takeout container. This is just a takeout container with some holes poked / melted through there. The bottom has some drainage. And then the lid that came with this, I also poked holes in. So when it was just initially growing and establishing itself, it had higher humidity. It still has kind of higher humidity because it is in plastic. But yeah, I wanted to give you guys an update on that because it has been a while. So that was an update on my Ceropegia Woodii, or Ceropegia something subspecies Woodii, Ceropegia linear subspecies Woodii. Yeah. Anyway, so that's an update, and it's just going crazy. Ever since the roots really took hold, it just went nuts. So I'm really happy with how it's going, and hopefully this summer I can move it to the southern window. We were just in my bedroom, but the southern window is in a courtyard, so all of the light gets blocked. So I am supplementing with that small grow light, and it's technically for seeds, like seed starting, so we'll see how well it does. So far it's doing great. Anyway, like and subscribe, I guess. It'd be lovely to have you back, and I'm gonna try to edit this video and the other video that I filmed yesterday real quickly and put at least one of them up. Okay, thanks, bye!